Hi guys, let's welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss the LeetCode number 976 largest perimeter triangle. Largest perimeter triangle, as the question implies, we have to find the largest perimeter in a triangle. You know what is triangle? Triangle has three sides. What is the perimeter? Sum of all the three sides is the perimeter, and you have to find the largest perimeter. Let's read the question. Given an integer array nums, you will be given an integer array of nums. Return the largest perimeter of a triangle. You have to return the largest perimeter of a triangle. You have to return the largest perimeter of a triangle with a non-zero area. Non-zero area means the triangle must be valid. Then formed from three sides of the length. Three sides of the length means you have to choose any three sides from this num. You have to choose any three sides from this nums, and you have to form a triangle, and you have to find the perimeter. It is if it is impossible to form any triangle of non-zero area. If from the given nums, if any triangle is not formed, means all the triangles are invalid, then you have to return 0. You have to return 0. I think you understood the question now. uh, Now let's go with the examples. Here they have given the nums array as 2 1 2. Before going to the array, let's explain the concept to you guys. Guys, let's say you have a triangle ABC. You know guys, triangle has a rule, theorem, where if you have a triangle A lesser than B lesser than C, how to check it is valid? If sum of any two sides A plus B is greater than C, we have to take the largest side as a C. It may be anything, it may be anywhere of any of these three. You have to take largest side C and check other two smaller sides A plus B. If this condition A plus B is greater than C, if this condition satisfies, then the triangle is valid. The triangle is valid. Now, as the given, the first example as array as 2 1 2. Now, how to check the validity triangle? If you have a 2 1 2, how to take the largest from this? Let's say first you have to short this one, it will become one short this shorted. Then you have to check last, this has C, this has A B C. Sum of A plus B should be greater than C. Here 1 plus 2 is greater than 2, 2 plus 1 3 is greater than C. Then this is valid triangle. Valid triangle. If it is valid triangle, we have to find the parameter of this triangle. 1 2 2, 1 plus 2 plus 2 5. 5 is the perimeter. 5 is the perimeter of a triangle. Then let's understood this concept first. I think you guys understood this concept. Now let's move on with the one more example called, let's say you have a array. Let's understand the concept. You have a array 1 3 3 4 5. 1 3 3 4 5. And let's say why we are shorting this. Sum of these two 4 5. It will become 9. Sum of this 3 3 6 3 4 naku 7. In a shorted array, as we beyond the summing of elements from this side to this side, the sum will be always decrementing, always decrementing. Now let's go with the next second example. 1 2 1 10 as a sides of array. You have given array sides 0 1 2 3. First you have to short this 1 1 2 10. Then first we have to take this as a C and this as a A and this as a B. A, B, C. We have to check A, B. A plus B greater than C. 1 plus 2 is greater than 10. 3 greater than 10. No, this is not valid case. As I said, in a shorted array, if we go this side, the sum will be decrementing. If we go on checking, if it is not greater than this, then this can't be greater. Understood why we shorted? If these two are not, this will be 1, 1, 2. This is 2. This will be 3 and this will be 2. As we go on, sum will be decrementing. As this should not be greater than C. It will not be anytime greater than C. And this is the concept. Now I will explain you with the example. Let's say nums as 3, 2, 6, 3. Short this 2, 3, 3, 6. Now this is our array with the index 0, 1, 2, 3. It is our index. Now we have to check. We have to start from this side to this side. Reverse order. We have to take this as a C now. You have to check with this two. If this case is satisfied, then we again go on checking. If this satisfied, then this is the largest triangle. Or else we have to go on checking this. No, yeah. 2, 3, 3, 6, 0, 1, 2, 3. This as I. Now check with the I minus 1, I minus 2. Nums of I minus 1 plus nums of I minus 2. If it is greater than nums of I, then the case is valid. Let's say 3 plus 3 is greater than 6. 6 is greater than 6. This is not valid. 2, 3, 3, 6. 0, 1, 2, 3. Here, if first we have taken this as a 6, we have added this 2. It is not valid. Then this case will not be valid. Then we have to move our I to here. Then this will become our I. This will become I minus 1, I minus 2. 2 plus 3 is greater than 3. 5 greater than 3. And this is a valid triangle. This is, if it is valid, then we have to find this parameter. 2 plus 3 plus 3. 3, 3, 6, 6, 2, 8. This is our parameter. We have to return this. We have to return this parameter. I think you guys understood the concept. This is our Java code, as I said in the concept. You will be given an array of nums. You will be given an array of nums, and you have to move from last. Nums dot length minus 1. If the array of length is 4, then you have to index from 3 to 1. You have to move like that. It is greater than 2 means at least 2. 3 sides we have to take, right? So we are doing this. If we have to check, go on condition checking. Nums of I minus 2 plus nums of I minus 1 is greater than nums of I, then return nums of I minus 2 nums. We have to add these 3, then you have to return. If any of this will not be valid, then you have to return 0. Thank you. If you understood the concept, please comment and support us. Thank you.